longest river of India. Again, I'm talking about the area covered by the river. The longest river of India. You need to mark. I got 5 answer. You still have, so here you can see absolutely right. My goodness, who said Brahmaputra? It's Ganga,
Ma'am,
right?
Ganga flows from like
Ma'am,
Nepal
Brahmaputra is
to
the
like.
longest. It's first it's Indus, then it's Brahmaputra, then it's Ganga.
Okay.
But in Indus is not an Indian river; it's a Pakistani river
No,
because it
it's an
originates.
Indian river.
No, it's an
It's
Indian river.
originated
Anjana, where
from
is your
Yarlung
logic?
Shanko. And sorry, it originates from Rakastal and then it goes from India and then it's go to Pakistan in Mithankot. It meet all the 5 rivers of the Indus system and then they flow to the
Ma'am,
Arabic Ocean. Mehul,
okay.
let me answer your question. Your doubt is right. Brahmaputra is longest than India. Sorry, longest than Ganga. But why said Indian river? I hope you know Brahmaputra. It originated in where? Tibet. There is a glacier, Yarlun Shankop, and that is why its name is Sangpo. Okay, Mehul? So if we said the longest Indian river, then it will be Ganga. If I'll ask the longest river in Indian subcontinent, then Tibet is a part of Indian subcontinent. Then it will be Brahmaputra. Is it clear, Mehul? Anjane is in second. My goodness, Mehul. Oh, wait, it's slightly different. And here is the winner, Shaurya. Congratulations, Shaurya.
Bonjour Ria,
Bonjour, madame.
comment ça va?
Ça va bien, merci. Comment allez-vous?
Je vais bien, merci. Comment tu t'appelles?
Je m'appelle Ria. Comment vous appelez-vous?
Je m'appelle Apurva. Merci, au revoir.
Merci.
Je m'appelle Ria. J'habite à Greater Noida. J'ai 13 ans. Je suis indienne. Je suis étudiante. Je suis en avion. Je étudie à Gantry School. Je parle hindi, l'anglais, allemand et un peu français. Elle s'appelle Madame Amrita. Elle habite à Greater Noida. Elle a 46. Elle est née le 7 novembre. Elle est indienne. Elle est femme ou folle. Elle est petite et mince. Elle est intelligente. Elle est active. Elle cuisine bien. J'aime beaucoup ma mère.
MUN is basically a model version of the actual United Nations. It's just a model. That's why it's called the Model United Nations. So, functions, procedures followed are very much similar to what actually happens when the actual MUN debate or a discussion goes on.
Good morning, esteemed chair and my fellow delegates. I delegate to Syria will be talking about the refugee crisis in Syria. Syria is a wide country with a neighboring country in Western Asia, bordering Lebanon to the southwest, the Mediterranean Sea to the west.
Delegates, I am on behalf of Russia to present its stand on the refugee crisis. So, UNHCR's work saves the lives of millions and is essential to maintain international peace, security, and stability. The increasing number of refugees and help given to them proves that it is much required. However, Russia shares concerns regarding the increasing amount of refugees.
Germany since 2015 has enjoyed substantial economic growth and has recorded low unemployment rate as it welcomes more than 1 million newcomers. I yield my remaining time to the chair.
Today, I, delegate of the Germany, is going to tell you that Germany is recovering from the COVID-19 pandemic. Germany, from 30th April, had cases around 18,000 and has been recovered till 7th May as the cases today are 5,000. Now, I yield my time to the chair. Thank you.
Okay, Delhi to Bangalore. Okay, Turvi.
Ma'am, 4.
Name them.
Ma'am, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Maharashtra, and Madhya Pradesh.
But from Delhi, when you will go to Madhya Pradesh, no, you need to either come through Rajasthan or Uttar Pradesh, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am, I missed one.
Yeah. Okay. So you can't skip that one. Okay. Next question. Mumbai to Kolkata.
Yes.
Okay,
So
so
from Mumbai, it will be 1, 2, and yes, ma'am, 2. If we go from Chhattisgarh and then Jharkhand, and then we land in Kolkata.
Okay, that's right.
Now, how to multiply two numbers in a very faster way. This is a pattern. First you multiply 3 and 2, you will get 6. Then you will cross multiply 2 to the 4, 3 to the 3 for the 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. Then 1 is carryover. Then you will multiply 4 and 2. 4 and 2, it is 4 to the 8. And you will add 1 because 1 was the carryover. So 8 plus 1 is 9.
Use some kind of module to create a canvas. Then you have to think which features you want, and accordingly you have to do.
Okay. Now you add a slider. This one. After the button or wherever you want. Okay. Yes, Vivan, please present the app. Now, can you just choose some color and draw something? Draw something meaningful, no? Lines. Maybe write your name. Yeah.
Mommy, after clicking on the color palette, he's not clicking on
Color,
the
yes, you
choose
have to,
color.
yes, that's how it is. Very good, great.
Thank you.